We're gonna go check on the birdies. Yep, they're alive.
Good morning, boys. Are you two ready to go outside? They're like rip-rearing to go.
Also, I think that's a term we use, but I'm not certain it's a real term.
That's not a real term?
Rip-rearing?
Rip-rearing?
Rip-rearing to go.
Look at all our tomato plants that we need to get rid of.
I think most of these are jalapenos.
Oh, really?
Because they don't have the fur on the stems. This one is a tomato with a mammoth sunflower. I don't know how that happened.
Garden.
Okay, watch out behind you.
Garden happenings.
Okay, so right here, I have some pepper plants that are hopefully going to grow.
Are these pepper plants or are they weeds?
I really think they're weeds, but I'm not sure. Okay.
We are professionals here.
This is a mammoth sunflower. Hopefully it's going to grow all the way up. Harry, you want to go in your house?
Butterfly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
It's up. It's flying away. Okay.
Oh, man. All right. Now.
I'm literally amazed.
What are you amazed by?
Potato plants.
Potatoes. So yesterday I planted more here and over here. And then these are some onions growing that I planted. Okay. We're gonna go check on the birdies. Uh-oh. I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. I hear something. Yep, they're alive.
Oh, good. Yay, birdies.
Birdies! Chickadees. Chickadees in the bluebird box. Okay, and then let's go check that garden. I can see the onions from here.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Growing food! Also, I'm running through the yard. Well, I jogged for 1 second. Ali, you need to go run. Oh no, I think the squirrels are getting
Squirrels.
a little crazy. Because, like, this one's knocked off. Okay. All right, tomatoes, onions. Look, you can even see that it's in a row. That's so cool. And then these are peas.
Oh, yeah. I need
Wait, I forget.
trellis.
I think those are different.
We
These are the trellis ones. Okay. Cool. And then carrots and yep, yep.
Little mini. Wow. We are farmers.
Dun 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 dun.
The hawk's out, so.
Oh, the hawk. Where's the hawk?
I just saw it fly over.
Okay. Harry has found new and creative ways to use his igloo bed. He lays on top of it now. It's pretty funny. He just gets pretty comfortable. But he's just about at his 15 minutes of sun, so I gotta lay a towel over top so he doesn't get a sunburn. Oh boy. The thrasher was too big and it got a little crazy.
Got a little crazy?
Peter's editing. Look at this. Look at it. Just look at him. Lunchtime.
Oh my my goodness. Look at this. Thank you. It just keeps getting better. Look at that. Half a watermelon, grilled cheese, and a pickle. Something about having a pickle with a hot sandwich. So good. The Mary girl in her natural element, watering the garden. You look cute in my hat.
Sorry, I stole it.
She stole it to swat a bee, and then she put it on. You're a great farmer.
I'm trying to like...
Nice. Flex your muscle. Nice.
Sorry, Alex. We have a couple of returns to make, so we are going to head out. I'm gonna drive.
She's gonna drive. She's gonna drive. Mary and I ran a few errands, and we just got a shipment of medication.
I'm gonna do a haul.
A medication haul? Nice. You can show them what you got. Put you guys here on the toaster oven while I'm making dinner. Somebody asked me what the proportions for our maple mustard salmon are, and so I do a drizzle across the top of maple syrup, and then I do a squirt of mustard. So that's as precise as it gets.
I'm looking at it. It's probably a tablespoon of each, maybe a tablespoon and a half of each, but it'll depend on the size of your fish.
I think I do a little more maple syrup than mustard. And then I just kind of rub it in. It's better if you use your hands.
Oh, what? Was there a second package?
Yeah, the front door.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
This is the cold one. Does anybody here need some ice packs?
We're talking about selling them on the online store. Maybe we should do that, like sometime do. It comes free in a package.
Oh man, the shipping would cost so much.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'd just do a little salt and pepper on top. You know, can't hurt. And then I cook it for like 10 to 15 minutes at 375, 400, somewhere around there.
Grill or oven?
Either would work, but I do the grill.
Okay, and in the second package, I have the real goods. Wow. It's like one of those surprise gifts where it's like a big box and a smaller box, smaller box, smaller box. Dun da da dun 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 da da da. Tricasta. And then sodium hypertonic saline. This is the real game changer. Okay, I just got off a call and I came out here and thank you.
I wanted this rice. How did you know?
How did you know? Is this salad from our garden?
It is.
Delicious. Thank you, babe. Remember those banana popsicles we found? Well, I realized I need to keep eating them. Take it for the team. Just kidding, I love them. I need to keep eating them because I need the sticks. I need to make little garden markers. What vegetable is which, you know, for the garden. So I obviously need to keep eating the banana popsicles. They are seriously amazing. It's all about the texture. It's like a soft, delicious popsicle instead of like the sharp, icy ones. It's the soft kind. Hey, Ollie. Do you want to go on a walk? Peter's been working on the boat for a little bit. And, oh my goodness. Look at him. That's funny. But he just told me, let's go for a walk. So, all right, Ollie, let's get dressed and go for a walk. Oops, watch out for the chicken boy. All right. As always, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.